Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you what I am bringing in my hospital bag for baby number 2. But before I do, I want to take a look back at what I thought I needed when I was pregnant with Tommy, because there certainly were a lot of things that you guys don't need, but they tell you that you do. So today I'm sharing with you what you don't need, and then of course what I'm planning to bring for number 2 that I think you really do need. So first we're gonna look up the what's in my hospital bag video, and when I shot this I was 3 days past my due date and I actually did not have a hospital bag packed at the time. So this was like a theoretical what I'm bringing. All right, we're gonna get started. Hey guys, so right now I'm actually 3 days past my due date. Hopefully by the time you watch this, I will have had the baby already. Watching this video, I don't even have a kid yet and I have such bags under my eyes. Either I couldn't sleep or I needed a new lesson in how to do my makeup. Again, this was filmed 3 days after my due date. Tommy didn't come for another 6 days. You wanna have a pair of slippers. First thing, slippers, you don't need those. I didn't wear them. Socks. You also want to have a robe. So again, this is like one of my old robes, just because you're gonna be in a hospital. I don't think I wore my robe once while I was there. But I have a robe to wear over a nightgown that I'm probably gonna wear during labor. You can wear the... I thought that this robe was gonna get gross and I was gonna throw it out. I never wore it, so actually I still have it and I still wear it on occasion. Over Black Friday, I bought these sweatpants from Gap Body for like 10 bucks. They are the most comfortable sweatpants I've ever worn, and they are not to be worn out of the house because they're really unattractive looking, but they're just so thin and light, you literally feel like you're not wearing any pants. I still love these sweatpants that I bought. I do not wear them out of the house. I've told you guys how much I love Living Proof, so I have little to go Living Proofs. I'm also a super freak about what I use to wash my face. So I am gonna bring little mini shampoos, but I don't think I washed my hair in the hospital last time. This time I'm bringing dry shampoo. So I have my favorite First Aid Beauty cleanser. I am gonna bring cleanser, but I'm also gonna bring baby wipes because I really didn't enjoy getting out of the hospital bed. So if I could just wash my face with some baby wipes, I think I'll be good. And then I also have the Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum from First Aid Beauty as well for my skin. I brought serum to the hospital. Warm socks. This is for just being in the hospital bed when you're not walking around. I did bring warm socks. A lot of people don't like the hospital pillow, so bring one from home. I'm gonna bring my boppy for breastfeeding. I did not bring my boppy. Speaking of breastfeeding, I'm also bringing, I haven't worn this yet so you can kind of see the tag still. I am bringing a nursing bra. My sister-in-law highly recommended bringing a wireless nursing bra to the hospital. That is actually a good tip, the nursing bra. This pair of pants for when I leave the hospital with just an elastic band. These are not maternity, but I've been wearing them throughout my pregnancy, especially if you have to have a C-section. You don't want anything that's gonna rub up against that incision. First, we had a Patriots onesie. Oh, I forgot about that. Hopefully he's born before the Patriots' first playoff game. Yikes. A lot of clothes for the baby. You do not need this many options for a baby. You need like one outfit. And then the last thing I want to show you guys that's in my bag was sent to me by my friends at Stitch Fix. It's called a push pack, and it's a pre-packed hospital labor bag. I don't think I used anything in this push pack bag. I think I still have it, and I think it's still intact though. I don't think I opened it when I was there. I actually got a new diaper bag, and again, I'm using it as my hospital bag. This is by Ethan and Emma, and they sent this to me, full disclosure, but I am obsessed. I wanted a backpack that looked chic because I hated the bag that I had for Tommy, that Pottery Barn one. It just collapses, it has no shape or form, it takes up a lot of room, but yet you can't put that much stuff in it. I don't know, I really wanted a backpack to just wear on my back, so this is something that I bought for baby number 2. Here are the baby wipes. I did not want to get up out of bed after Tommy was born, so if I want to clean myself up a little bit without having to get up and go to the shower, this is what I'm gonna have. I forgot about the C-section thing, but I am gonna bring a maternity dress to go home in, just in case I do have a C-section. You don't wanna wear anything that's gonna rub up against the incision. I'm also gonna bring a nursing tank top. This is from Tommy. I think I need to wash it, but for the point of this video, you guys get it. You definitely want to have a nursing tank top if you plan or want to plan on nursing. A nursing tank top or a sports bra would be great. I'm also bringing my makeup because you take a lot of pictures in the hospital. I didn't say that in my video last time, but let's be honest. I make YouTube videos and post Instagram pictures for a living. I have my makeup bag, and inside this giant makeup bag, I've got a toothbrush, toothpaste, some face wash. I think I have some additional shampoo and conditioner, but I'm probably not gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna wash it before I go to the hospital. Hopefully I'll have time to know to do that, and then just use a dry shampoo. Baby's outfit, well, it's gonna be the summer, so we need a lot less than Tommy. We brought a lot of options for Tommy. This time around, I still have to wash it. How cute is this little thing? With Tommy, I brought some newborn clothes, and to be honest, he wore all of that newborn stuff once. I have big babies. I'm anticipating on having another big baby. This is a 0 to 3. And since the baby's gonna be born in the summer, that's why I bought no sleeves. Of course, we use air conditioning though, so we will use a little blanket on top. And then lastly, pants. So this is like version 2.0 of the pants that I showed you in the last video. These ones, I actually got from Modell's as part of a campaign, but they reminded me of my Gap Body ones. They're super light, but these ones are capri length, not as long as the other ones because I'm delivering in July versus January, but they're also baggy in the bootay, which is extremely important since you're gonna be going home basically wearing a diaper. So something to just put out there. Not sure if the bodycon dress is gonna work with that one. And that's about it. I'm not gonna bring a lot. I am gonna bring my camera, and I am gonna make sure that I bring my cell phone charger, and that's about it. We're gonna keep things minimal, and hopefully we're not there very long. I'd love to hear from you guys what you think is the most overrated item people pack in their hospital bags in the comments. So leave your own suggestion. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you guys soon.